face on a bit of a road. As for papers, you said yourself so. It is no great matter. It is a great matter if I think I am married and I find I am not. Tomorrow, I will talk with the Queen's people. It is no matter if you insult the bride and her brother and lose our anniversary. Tomorrow, I meet her at Blackton, the King's.
And Anton Lesser continues reading The Mirror and the Light by Hilary Mantel at the same time next week. It was abridged by Catherine Williams, and the producer was Justine Willard.
Holly with her 4-point tattoos, beautiful eyes, wishes. This is a back, maybe. The worst idea, in fact, is